are we going, be? Huh? Did you bang bang? Huh? You bang bang. Oh, you're sweating? You sweat?
Oh my god.
You sweat already?
Did you sweat?
Baby, you sweat? Oh, who's that back side of yours? 71? 100? T. Because it's 70, there is 0. It's not only 7. Again? What number is that?
101.
No, 170. Because it's 70, 70, then there is 1.
Look,
Oh, what number is that?
122.
Not 22, 2?
200.
2, and there is 2. It's 202.
202.
Yeah. What else? There is another.
101.
Daddy, don't teach him. Let him learn by himself.
101.
Oh, okay, very good. Did you hear from Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, see, yeah. There is another one.
Huh?
Coming, oh, you know. Another one. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun.
That's there.
What number?
Wait, that one.
What number? What number is that?
10.
No, 10.
100.
Okay.
102.
Very good. 100. What?
102.
Very good naman. Apa? Yeah? Okay. You can say hi. Look. What, Daddy? Huh? Huh? What number is that? Very good. Another one. Very good naman. We will go to 7
I need a
Grand. Stop, Daddy. Si Doro. Ako si Dora. Baby, are you Dory? Be? Your name is Dory. And Daddy is Doro. Oh, you're Arohan. And Mommy Dora. What number is that?
A1.
Very good naman.
What's that?
How about that? Which one?
L41.
Oh, L what?
L41.
Very good. L41. Patututo siya dito pag nasa labas kami. Nasa ano siya? Sa mga bus numbers. Punta sana kami Green Park. Why? You want to go to the scooter? Okay, go to the scooter. Hold him.
I'll give you candy and buy the masala.
B, let's a bus. Let's a buses. 54. Baby, where are you going?
A1. A1.
A1. Faster, baby. Where are we now? Be?
In the park.
You're in the park?
Yes. I'm in the park.
But where we will go? Mm-mm.